So I'm going to attempt to root this tip of Myrtillocactus in water or above water. Um, this was cut 2 days ago. I'm waiting for it to callus over, and if you look here, I have suspended it using elastic bands at the top of a jar. I'll give it another few days to dry out, and when that's happened, I'll put some water in here, and I won't put enough in to make the bottom of the cactus wet, but I'll put it very close, and maybe it will send out some roots down into the water. I don't know. Let's see. So I've now added some water to this. It's a few days later. You can see there was a small gap there. Unfortunately, while I was adding the water, the cactus got slightly wet on the bottom. Hopefully it will dry off. This water is from the dehumidifier, so therefore it is demineralized water. I will probably change it every couple of days and see what happens, and inspect to see, make sure there's no rot or anything like that, and hopefully start seeing some roots. So it's been a little bit more than a week since I put this cactus cutting above the water to see if it would root. I don't know if it's possible to see here. Maybe I need to take it out and we can see what's going on. So I don't know if it's possible to see, but there is a little bit of a root sticking out. But the big problem we've got is that the whole thing has gone a bit mouldy. I think I have two options here. One is to just let it dry out and callus over again. Perhaps it wasn't dry enough in the first place, and then I can try again. Or maybe I need to cut the rot out and let it callus and start again. Let me have a think about this one. So apologies, I was unable to video the cutting itself because it's a bit difficult to hold the camera and do a delicate operation like that. But I've cut maybe 2 to 3 millimeters off. The flesh underneath looks good. There's a spine that got slightly dislodged. I may just trim that to tidy it up. But what I'm going to do now is leave that to callus over again, and I will try and root it in a thoroughly dry environment. I think I'm going to consider this to be a failed experiment.